With the holiday season approaching and class and office parties, I'm going to show you a fun and easy treat that everyone will love. My name's Ariston, and today we'll be making Snowman Oreo balls. The items you'll need is a plastic bag, sprinkles, package of Oreos, cream cheese, white chocolate dip, a chocolate dip melter, and a pan. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your Oreos and dump them into the plastic bag. Now you're going to want to leave 2 Oreos out of the bag. So you want to make sure all the air is out and then zip it up. Now you're going to want to crush them. Now you're going to want to pour them into a big bowl like this. Now you're going to want 8 ounces of cream cheese. Now you're going to want to dump in the cream cheese and mix it very good. Now I'm using my hands, but you can use a spatula or an egg beater. Stop recording. Now what you have with it, you're going to want to roll it into about a 1-inch ball. So repeat this step until all of the stuff is gone. And there you go. Now get wax paper and just put them over your Oreo balls. Now you're going to want to put them in your freezer for half an hour to an hour. Now take your white chocolate melt and put it in the melter. You want to try to make it into small pieces so it melts faster. Now you're going to want to take your white chocolate melt and lightly pour, not drown this on the Oreo ball. Now repeat this step for the rest of the Oreo balls. Now this is what they should look like when they're done. Now you can do the face however you want, but we put sprinkles on it, and there's your snowman. With the holiday season approaching and class and up, it's so squishy. Now get aluminum foil as long as your sheet, and then just place it over. Yeah. I'm making sure that is very tightly closed. So